Get ready to have your mind blown by some of the most incredible animal facts you've probably never heard before. Animals are full of surprises. Some can survive in the most extreme conditions, while others have abilities that seem almost supernatural. Today, we're diving into some amazing facts that sound completely made up, but are 100% true. Let's get started. First up, the octopus. Did you know these underwater geniuses have 3 hearts and blue blood? It's true. 2 hearts are dedicated to pumping blood through their gills, and the third one circulates it to the rest of their body. But that's not all. Octopuses are master escape artists and problem solvers. They can unscrew jar lids, navigate mases, and squeeze through tiny openings. Each of their 8 arms even has its own mini-brain, allowing them to taste and touch things at the same time. How cool is that? Next, let's talk about elephants. We've all heard the saying, an elephant never forgets. And it's pretty accurate. They have one of the best memories in the animal kingdom, remembering friends, family, and vital migration routes for their entire lives. Their trunk is a marvel of nature, containing over 40,000 individual muscles. This makes it strong enough to uproot a tree, yet gentle enough to pick up a single peanut. Elephants can also recognize themselves in a mirror, a rare sign of self-awareness and high intelligence. Have you ever seen a group of flamingos and wondered what to call them? It's a flamboyance, and their famous pink color isn't something they're born with. It actually comes from their diet of algae and crustaceans, which are packed with pigments. If a flamingo didn't eat these foods, it would be a plain white or gray color. So, the more vibrant their pink feathers, the healthier the bird. Now for a fact that will really change your perspective on history. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks have been patrolling our oceans for more than 400 million years. Trees, on the other hand, only showed up around 350 million years ago. Sharks are ultimate survivors with incredible senses. They can detect a single drop of blood in an Olympic-sized swimming pool and can even sense the tiny electrical fields produced by other living creatures. Let's slow things down a bit with the sloth. Their incredibly slow movement is actually their secret weapon. By moving at a snail's pace, they often go completely unnoticed by predators. Algae even grows on their fur, providing perfect camouflage in the green canopy. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down from branches and can sleep up to 15 hours a day. It's a slow life, but it works. Did you know dolphins have names for each other? It's true. Each dolphin develops a unique signature whistle that functions just like a name. They use these calls to identify and communicate with specific individuals in their pod. Dolphins are also incredibly empathetic, known for helping injured members of their group, and have even been documented rescuing humans in distress. Don't underestimate the ant. These tiny insects are titans of strength. A single ant can lift and carry objects up to 50 times its own body weight. To put that in perspective, if a human had that kind of strength, we could easily lift a car. Ant colonies are a perfect example of teamwork, operating as a single, coordinated superorganism. Let's look up to the giraffe. Their tongues are astonishingly long, measuring over 50 centimeters, and they are a dark purple color. This dark pigment is believed to protect their tongues from getting sunburned, while they reaching for leaves high up in the trees. And here's a fun fact. Despite their incredibly long necks, giraffes have the exact same number of neck bones as humans, just 7. When it comes to romance, penguins have a unique approach. To propose, a male penguin will search for the smoothest, most perfect pebble he can find and present it as a gift to his chosen female. If she accepts the pebble, they become a pair. These stones aren't just for show. They use them to build their nests and keep their eggs off the cold, icy ground. Ever wondered how a butterfly knows which plant is the right one to lay its eggs on? It tastes with its feet. Butterflies have special sensors on their feet that can detect whether a leaf is a good food source for their future caterpillars. In another mind-bending twist, some research suggests that butterflies can retain memories from their time as a caterpillar, even after going through the complete transformation of metamorphosis. Finally, let's talk about honeybees. These little pollinators can actually recognize human faces. They do this by piecing together features like your eyes, nose, and mouth into a whole pattern, much like Guido. Bees also have one of the most complex communication systems in the insect world. They perform a waggle dance to tell their hive mates the exact direction and distance to a new food source. From the deep oceans to the high treetops, The animal kingdom is filled with more intelligence, emotion, and wonder than we can possibly imagine. The more we learn about these incredible creatures, the more we appreciate the amazing diversity of life on our planet. Thanks for watching, and remember to always respect and protect the wonderful world of animals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content.